So man tried blasting him. Predator was like,
is this bitch really trying to scratch my whip right now?
but this nigga stops, goes back, turns forward in time to burn this man to a crisp perfectly using his propellers. Man ain't even using bullets. He really out here cooking them with pure bullshit and skills. God damn. So Taurus had a wing on fire, and this nigga, I cannot lie, he gangster as hell for real. He tried repairing his wing in mid-air. This nigga crazy. So Predator was about to come for him. A big dog in the back came to help. He even dodged the booty expander. He thought it was chill. When mans pulled out this level max net, shit wrapped around the spleen and just decided to play tic-tac-toe on it for real.